Hey you guys, how y'all doing? I hope y'all doing well. Welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we are tackling the two youngest girls' bedroom. And so that's what we're doing today. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. I am Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. Mamie and Ezekia, this is their room here that I'll be showing. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Turn the red box to gray to join the family. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment down below what are you doing today while you are watching this video. Okay. So all the rooms need a mama touch, and so I'm gonna get to it. I'm going through room by room, week by week. I can't do it every day. I can't pick a room a day. That's not gonna work for me. So I'm letting you know to give yourself grace. I'm letting you know that you are enough regardless of how you think. You are enough, and you are able to do what you can when you can, okay? If you can do a day, a room a day, go ahead and do it. If you can't, don't overwhelm yourself. Give yourself a power hour to get stuff done, and whatever you don't get done in that hour, come back to it later on, okay? So that's what I'm doing today. So we are going to, we as in me and the husband, I'm gonna get Douglas to help me move this bed around. We'll move the bed mattress and the box spring off the bed so that I can get under the bed, and then we're gonna tackle what I can, because I want to move some things in here. So yeah, so I really hope y'all enjoy. Let's go ahead and get that music started. And welcome to DAT Family 5. Happy New Year, y'all.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, it looks like we made it. Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might exceed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, it looks like we made it. Yeah, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we. It looks like we made it. It looks like we. Oh, it looks like we made it.
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón. Pago por el show. Me siento feliz porque si no soy yo, pues ¿quién? Todos caen a mi lado. El freno lo arranqué, me siento feliz porque yo no dudo mi power. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Traigo un fin y después fumo un cabo de cigarette. Me pierdo en la ciudad, ha llegado mi tiempo ya. Voy a vivir porque si yo no soy yo, pues ¿quién? Todos caen a mi lado. Los frenos los arranqué, me siento feliz porque vivo mi vida centrado. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Quiero un carro que corra más. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.
I am stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in that position. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, it's
Hey you guys, this is your reminder. Take your breaks while you are doing a project, okay? So at this time, let me let y'all know. So in the beginning of the video, if y'all paid attention, the color of my pants were pink, all right? And then I got a call from my YMCA supervisor saying that somebody had called out and that she really needed somebody to come in to give at least a 30-minute Zumba class, right? So I was like, man, I really didn't want to do it. I'm like, let me go ahead because there's people already there. It was like 9:05 and they were there waiting for somebody to come and the person didn't call till like 9:02. So I went and did like a 45-minute class, came back and got back to doing what I needed to do. So give yourself grace. Sit there, collect your thoughts, get your thoughts together, listen to your music, figure out what you're going to do. Just give yourself grace. All right, you guys. Love you guys.
My eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love. Give me your love. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love. Give me your love.
Yeah, Amaru. I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something, rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body.
All right, hey you guys. So these are clothes that Rayne are giving to the other girls. And so I'm not going through the bags, but there are clothes right here, as you see. I'm going to go through them real quick. When I mean real quick, I mean real quick. And I'm going to fold them up, and then whatever looks dirty is going to go in the dirty bin, and that's it. Like, I'm not doing all this. Like, they're old enough to take care of the clothes. I'm not putting their clothes up. They can put their own clothes up. I can fold them, that's fine. But they're going to put their own clothes up. Okay? So that's what we did.
Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough, babe.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no.
Hey you guys, so I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with us, because time is precious. For we are the family of love, life, and having fun, and give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Give yourself grace. Take your time and your moments that you need to make sure that you don't get overwhelmed. All right, I want to thank y'all so much once again. Y'all be blessed, and we'll see you on the tube. Peace out, y'all.